Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect your PostgreSQL with n8n. So guys, to more easily use this service and to set it up more quickly, we will actually use the Supabase for this one. So to do this, guys, you just need to go to this little tab over here. After that, you just choose the database. Okay, in here, press on the plus. Now in here, type in Postgres. Okay, choose your corresponding actions or triggers. Now after that, create new credential. And as you can see, guys, we will need this data here. So we'll need this data. And to get this data, you just go to connect. And then as you can see, direct connection, press on view parameters. And in here, guys, as you can see, we have host, port, database, and also user. So just copy all of this stuff. Let's start with host. Just type this in, port. You can actually do it like this to make it more easy. Okay, so now we have port. Where's our port? Port is in here. Our database, user, Postgres. Okay, it's all the same. All right, and this is pretty much it, except for the password. We also need the password. Okay, so to get the password, then after inputting all of this data, just press on save, and then you will get, of course, the connection. Just make sure to properly input everything. So just take this data, all the data from here, and also don't forget your database password, insert it, and you will be done, guys. So this is how you do this. Pretty simple. Enjoy the video. If you did enjoy it, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.